Hello everyone. This video thumbnail Air Botswana baggage allowance. So Air Botswana baggage allowance. Here the baggage allowance for Air Botswana. So checked baggage, checked whole baggage. Standard free checked baggage 23 kg per passenger, both domestic and international flight. Infant not usually get the small free baggage allowance in typically 5 kg, and hand baggage, carry on hand baggage economy classes 1 pieces hand luggage allow. Weight limit 7 kg maximum. Size limit up to 150 cm length, width and height. Summary: checked baggage up to 23 kg per passenger. Carry on baggage 1 baggage 7 kg maximum. Size 150 cm. Infant free baggage 5 kg when no seat. So thank you all everyone. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.